Welcome to Think Nova. Think you have what it takes to prove your knowledge? If you can score at least 30% out of 100 on this general knowledge quiz, your knowledge is truly impressive. You'll have 5 seconds to answer each question. No cheating. No pausing. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which U.S. state is famous for the Alamo? The answer is Texas. Question number 2. Which U.S. city is famous for the Alamo? The answer is San Antonio. Question number 3. Which U.S. state is famous for peaches? The answer is Georgia. Question number 4. Which U.S. state is famous for potatoes? The answer is Idaho. Question number 5. Which U.S. city is famous for the French Quarter? The answer is New Orleans. Question number 6. Which U.S. state is home to Graceland? The answer is Tennessee. Question number 7. Which U.S. city is home to Graceland? The answer is Memphis. Question number 8. Which U.S. state is famous for the Indy 500? The answer is Indiana. Question number 9. Which U.S. city hosts the Indy 500? The answer is Indianapolis. Question number 10. Which U.S. state is home to Hershey chocolate? Pennsylvania. Question number 11. Which U.S. city is famous for Hershey chocolate? The answer is Hershey. Question number 12. Which U.S. state is famous for the Alamo and cattle ranches? The answer is Texas. Question number 13. Which U.S. state is home to the Mall of America? The answer is Minnesota. Question number 14. Which U.S. city has the Mall of America? The answer is Bloomington. Question number 15. Which U.S. state is famous for the Indianapolis 500? The answer is Indiana. Question number 16. Which U.S. state is home to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame? The answer is Ohio. Question number 17. Which U.S. city has the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame? The answer is Cleveland. Question number 18. Which U.S. state is home to the Baseball Hall of Fame? The answer is New York. Number 19. Which U.S. town hosts the Baseball Hall of Fame? The answer is Cooperstown. Question number 20. Which U.S. state is famous for Silicon Valley? The answer is California. Question number 21. Which U.S. state has the most volcanoes? The answer is Alaska. Question number 22. Which U.S. state contains Denali? The answer is Alaska. Question number 23. What was Denali formerly called? The answer is Mount McKinley. Question number 24. Which U.S. state contains the most glaciers? The answer is Alaska. Question number 25. Which U.S. state has the northernmost point of the United States? The answer is Alaska. Question number 26. Which U.S. state has the westernmost point of the United States? The answer is Alaska. Question number 27. Which U.S. state has the easternmost point of the United States? The answer is Alaska. Question number 28. Which U.S. state has the southernmost point of the 50 states? The answer is Hawaii. Question number 29. Which U.S. state contains Lake Okeechobee? The answer is Florida. Question number 30. Which U.S. state contains the Great Salt Lake? The answer is Utah. Question number 31. Which U.S. state contains Crater Lake? The answer is Oregon. Question number 32. Which U.S. state contains Lake Tahoe? The answer is California. Question number 33. Which U.S. state contains Mammoth Cave? The answer is Kentucky. Question number 34. Which U.S. state contains Carlsbad Caverns? The answer is New Mexico. Question number 35. Which U.S. state contains White Sands National Park? The answer is New Mexico. Question number 36. Which U.S. state contains the Painted Desert? The answer is Arizona. Question number 37. Which U.S. state contains Monument Valley? The answer is Arizona. Question number 38. Which U.S. state contains Antelope Canyon? The answer is Arizona. Question number 39. Which U.S. state contains the Hoover Dam? The answer is Nevada. Question number 40. Which U.S. state contains the Bonneville Salt Flats? The answer is Utah. Question number 41. Which U.S. state contains the Black Hills? The answer is South Dakota. Question number 42. Which U.S. state contains the Ozark Plateau? The answer is Missouri. Question number 43. Which U.S. state contains the Flint Hills? The answer is Kansas. Question number 44. Which U.S. state contains the Columbia River Gorge? The answer is Oregon. Question number 45. Which U.S. state contains the Okefenokee Swamp? The answer is Georgia.